We're gonna go ahead and turn on the controller. This is our HMI controller. There we go. Now let's go outside. So first thing we should hear is our fuel pump turning on, along with the buzzard. There's our fuel pump. There's our buzzard, and we're gonna see the starter pull out. So it's working now. We're bringing back. It has 4 years without any maintenance on it, so we're bringing it back to life. Starter, fuel pump, alternator, compressor was replaced a couple of years ago. Yeah, it's looking good so far.